and welcome to this edition of Express Pharma Nutrify Today Boardroom series. Today we are joined by Mr. Suresh Garg, who's founder and CMD of Zeon Lifesciences. Good morning, Mr. Garg. Welcome and thank you for speaking to Express Pharma.
Very good morning.
Mr. Garg, you have over 3 decades of experience spanning nutrition, dairy products, healthcare, and nutraceuticals. You founded Zeon Lifesciences in 1987. What made you focus on contract manufacturing of nutraceuticals and more specifically the medical nutrition market?
Yeah, in 1987, we began with the journey of dairy plant, manufacturing milk products like pure ghee, skim milk powder, dairy creamer. And we are very successful into this industry, and that time the government of India is not issuing any license to the private sector, but we have done that time extraordinary working towards that and set up this dairy industry into the private sector, and in a small scale, which was not possible that time. Subsequently, in 2003, the government of India has declared Himachal and Uttaranchal as a special zone with a special package. And looking to that opportunity, we have set up in healthcare and wellness industry, where we have started manufacturing towards nutraceutical, then Ayurvedic, then phytopharmaceuticals, and health ingredients. So we are continuing with that, looking with a strong relationship with the MNCs and having expertise in manufacturing. We given a thought and started doing contract manufacturing. Basically, our industry from the day one believes in quality, and in R&D we are doing a lot of work towards innovation, ideas, and developing unique formulation which is needed in contract manufacturing. So that way we have started contract manufacturing, but especially we have entered now into the medical nutrition. In medical nutrition, we have added specialized products like onco wellness, neurocare, memory enhancement, cardio, and various other products which are specialized into this industry. Yes, please.
Okay. Mr. Garg, you talked about innovative formulations, which is very important in the contract manufacturing sphere. You have more than 100 clients, in these last 3 decades, which you have accumulated, both in the domestic as well as in the international market. What are the 2 or 3 differentiating factors behind this?
Firstly, our commitment is towards quality and compliance standards set us apart. We are secondly believe in developing innovation ideas, which is a bigger strength for us. And besides that, we have the transparency with the clients, which is the key to have a strong partnership, having the trust to each other. So these are the few key which making these different than others.
Right. You also spoke about the R&D that goes behind these innovative formulations. So I believe your in-house R&D facility is located in Paonta Sahib in Himachal Pradesh. What role has that facility played in the company's growth strategy so far?
This R&D is needed by each industry, and this is a unique feature whenever we talk about innovation and unique ideas. Our sciences are doing a lot towards this and manufacturing unique products which gives the upper hand to us for the competition. And we are associated with many such universities like Pilani, NIPER, NIII, IIIM, which are giving or supporting to us for the further scientific studies. So with that, we go more scientifically into the market and create much ahead than others. So these are the key points.
Okay. You talked about innovative formulations which are being created backed by your R&D. Can you give us an example of one such innovation, which you all have created in collaboration with all the institutions that you have mentioned?
Yeah. One product we have developed, that is the Alzheimer. So when after the age of 40 years, every human being started reducing their memory. So that time between 40 to 50, they don't know their memory is going down. But after 50, this started reducing, which a human being realized that this is reducing faster, and these days this problem is multiplying. And this creates a lot of problem. For this, we have tied up with a university, created a patent towards us. Even we have a patent for the Pharma product for the botanical, even in the United States. So that's the unique we have done. Besides that, we have done many search towards the immunity booster process.
So what are your thoughts on the strategy to build brand Indian nutraceuticals on the global stage? Because as you've said, there are a lot of innovations and coming out of this research. Can this be used to brand Indian pharma nutraceutical industry as a very innovative nutraceutical industry?
Yeah, Indian Nutra has a lot of potential by leveraging our rich heritage in conventional medicines and combining with the modern science. We created a lot of unique and innovation products, which is making us ahead in global markets, because the COVID has given a lot of learning to us. And as you know, the earlier Dadi Ma ke nuskhe works very much towards this conventional medicines, and that COVID has given a learning to whole the world for going towards those conventional herbs or medicines. Once we are assembling or clubbing this with the modern science, then this becomes supreme. So at present, we are just dollar around 18 billion by 2025, and expected to reach $100 billion by 2030. So there is a huge space, and India is Nutra industry is becoming a brand leader in the world. Thank you.
And we also hear about new age tools like artificial intelligence and machine learning disrupting other sectors. How can AI tools such as these disrupt the nutra sector? Because to achieve this growth, you will need different growth levers than what have been used in the past.
AI tools is very, very helpful in all the activities. If we talk about manufacturing, we talk about processing, we talk about supply chain of the product development. So in all the affairs, if we see, AI makes much faster, and anytime if we see any gaps in the information or any data you needed updated, so all this AI technology make most helpful. And even if we talk about quality, developing products, talking about the price fluctuation, so all these information are given by AI, and that is fantastic data which is giving a knowledge not only domestic, even the worldwide. So that knowledge giving a lot of strength and making the project much faster than the earlier.
Mr. Garg, thank you for those insightful answers. I have just one last question before we let you go. You're a very successful entrepreneur of 30 odd years standing in the nutraceutical and other sectors. What would be your 3 pieces of advice, business advice or success mantras, call it as you want, as a mentor that you would like to give to entrepreneurs who are looking at entering the nutra sector?
I think exploring new ideas, new innovation is the key. So with this changing the world, lot of opportunity takes place. Secondly, lot of quality is required. If we see the world towards India, earlier we are not in a position to compete because we are not that conscious about the quality. Now, India is becoming a superpower, and whole world is looking to India. The quality is the key, and now everybody is making the quality and well accepted worldwide. So besides this, the planning and execution, which is very much required, because every organization make a lot of planning, but execution is poor, which needs to be strengthened. And if we do that, the things change. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Garg, for those wonderful insights, both into nutraceutical, also describing your company, Zeon Lifesciences, the whole journey over the past 37 odd years. Thank you so much for speaking to Express Pharma and being on the Nutrify Today Express Pharma Boardroom series. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Thank you very much.